Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin right at Chrome's Profile menu. Click the circular profile icon in the top right corner, then pick Add or Manage People and select Add Person. When the dialog appears, enter a short name and choose an avatar so you can instantly recognize this profile. Decide whether to sign in with a Google account now or skip to keep a local profile. Make sure you toggle Sync on only if you want bookmarks and passwords shared. Once you've created the basic profile, sign in with your Google account to enable cross-device sync, or continue without signing in if you want separation. After signing in, go to Settings U in Google to control sync options. Pick bookmarks, passwords, history, or turn Sync off to isolate data. Make sure to customize the profile theme and pin or install only the extensions you need. This keeps performance steady. Finally, create a desktop shortcut for easy switching between profiles. To finish, test switching profiles by clicking the profile icon and selecting the new profile or using the desktop shortcut you created. Open a few pages to confirm bookmarks and extensions load. If sync doesn't appear or extensions act up, sign out of the profile and sign back in. This often forces a sync refresh. If problems persist, clear the profile's cache or remove and recreate the profile as a last resort. That quick reset usually resolves stubborn sync or settings issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.